Hey everyone, it's Lynn from Holistic Health and Wellness, of course. Happy Wednesday, happy hump day to those of you who are working this week and you're halfway through your week already. So today we're going to talk about some pathways to success, especially when it comes to trying to lose some weight. So as always, I'm hoping that you will share this with somebody and hit hashtag replay, hashtag live, whichever one you happen to be on today. So just wondering how your summer's going. I know this is kind of the time when we think more about weight loss. We think about a little bit more about how we're going to fit into those wonderful summer clothes, how we're going to be successful. And I want to talk to you about that today. So there are so many different ways that we can be successful when it comes to weight loss. And of course, as we age, it tends to be that we feel as if we just can't do it the way that we could when we were younger. And that's really true when you're in your 40s, 50s and beyond. It really isn't quite so easy. But I'm going to give you 10 tips today to help you. So I have got a program coming up. I am a health and life coach who works in weight loss and energy, and I have an 8-week class coming up, or a 8-week program to help you energize, to release your weight, to release your emotions, and to transform. Yep, it's possible in 8 weeks. So I want to help you with that, and I'll drop the link to that program. There is a special on there until the weekend, which is $50 off. But to help you be even more successful, here are some tips. So number one, if you're not a morning person, try preparing lemon water. Just add some water, add some lemon to your water in the morning. If you're not a morning person, you can just put some in the night before, so you can just pick it up and take it. That kind of refreshes you, energizes you, and does actually help you to lose weight. Number two, if you do not cook, then find a healthy place in your neighborhood to have your meals prepared for you. Some places do that. That's actually something that I offer as part of my health coaching program. So if you need more information, just let me know. So number three, so I often send out to you like meal planning worksheets. If you don't have one, then let me know. But when you go buy something like that, a meal planner, where you can plan out your meals for you, put in there what you want to have, you'll find that you are so much more successful. You just put it on the refrigerator and go buy it, pre-plan for it, and you can do so much better. So number four, if you're traveling, then look for clean eating meals. So what I mean by that is things like vegetables and a healthy protein, animal or non-animal based. Try to eat as cleanly as possible because it will help you, especially while you're traveling. So of course, along those lines, you could go out for lunch and have a healthy salad with a nice chicken of some kind. But my suggestion is that you eat your raw vegetables earlier in the day, much healthier for you. I'll get into that at a later time. So another thing you can do is to make soups ahead of time. This is a great way to get in lots of vegetables and good, healthy, clean eating. So the best time to eat that is in the evening when your digestion is not at its optimal. And so that will help you digest a lot quicker. So number six, prepare salads and chop vegetables and add them to a BPA-free container or mason jars. I love mason jars, and have them ready just to pick them up and go. Sometimes you got 5 or 10 minutes when you can prep a couple of them, put them in the refrigerator, and then just take them with you. Prepare your clean sources of protein and have them ready to go. So for example, here in Florida, we have Publix. So they have what they call Green Wise. So it's their organic, more organic, healthy versions of chicken, beef, different kinds of meats. And so you can prep them ahead. You can cook them, bake them, chop them up, ready to go into salads, and have them ready even to go into a stir fry that can last you for a couple of days. Also, when you're thinking about snacks can be a huge one for people. Think about having something like kale chips, seeds of some kind, guacamole as your dip for your kale chips, or grab some veggies for on the go. And with those veggies, make yourself a healthy guacamole dip or a healthy hummus that you can buy. Different flavors of all of those these days. Also, really important, tip number 9, know when your moment of weaknesses are in the day and have something ready for those. So if you love to eat chips, for example, when you're watching TV, instead have some carrot sticks because you're still getting the crunch, or maybe some kind of protein balls. And if you don't have a recipe for one, let me know. I'd be glad to send you one. So my hardest time of day is in the evenings after dinner. I'm not really hungry, but sometimes I just crave something. Sometimes if I'm really desperate like that, I will just take a handful of nuts or protein bars. My favorite ones at the moment are the Rewind, which you can buy online because they're nothing but pure healthy protein bars, nothing added. So number 10 tip is enlist a friend or a family member that will encourage you or support you, or go into my ladies' Facebook group, energize.healthy.women. We're always there to support each other. And of course, that's what I'm here for, especially when I'm doing programs with you or I'm in the group with you. You can always drop your questions. I'm here to support and help you. So I would love for you to join my Energize, Release, Transform program that starts on Monday. It really is an absolute solution for you if you are trying to lose weight without being hungry all the time. As I say, I'm a weight loss coach, so I know how to help people do away with that deprivation and starvation that so often goes along with trying to live a healthier lifestyle. So I would love for you to join. I'd love you to invite some friends to come along with you, because that always is a great encourager for you. I'm here as an accountability partner and to support you on your health journey. So if you have any questions, I would love to do some lives around them to answer your questions. Love again for you to put in here #live, #replay. And I thank you for joining me today. I would love again for you to share this with somebody and drop your questions below. I hope that you enjoy the rest of your Wednesday. It's hard to think the weeks just go by so quickly. So already Wednesday, halfway through the week, you're halfway there to the weekend. Enjoy every day as it comes. This is Lynn from Holistic Health and Wellness. Have a wonderful day. Bye.